Harshita, you know what? I just finished watching Mission Impossible. Tom Cruise's acting is on point.
I know, man. It's so hot.
Do you also know, Harshada, he had learning disability as a child?
What is it? Such a famous actor and learning disability. Unbelievable.
So what? I don't think learning disability should come in the way of anyone's success. So here we have Group D with us, a skillful group of six spirited and strong individuals who are expressive and eloquent, presenting Group D, the intellectualizers.
Disabilities, they say, result in a deviation from one's normal malfunction. Good evening, everyone. Today, our group, the Intellectualizers, shall talk about learning disabilities and make you realize that the next time you say, Geda hai kya? Or Dimag kam hai? Thakkan, you might want to rethink your words. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Learning disabilities are disorders that affect the ability to understand, use spoken or written language, do mathematical calculations, coordinate movements, and direction. The graph here shows the number of people with learning disabilities attending educational institutions as compared to those who dropped out or have never attended due to the same. Now let's look at some of the causes of learning disability.
There is no single specific cause for learning disabilities. However, there are some factors that could cause them. It is observed that a child whose parents have had a learning disability is highly likely to develop the same disorder. An illness or injury during or after birth may cause learning disabilities. A stressful incident after birth, such as high fever, head injury, or poor nutrition, might be another cause. Increased exposure to toxins such as lead, paint, ceramics, toys, and other substances leads to deformities. Children with learning disabilities are at a higher risk of attention problems or disruptive behavior disorders. Conversely, it is also estimated that between 15 to 30% of children diagnosed with ADHD have a learning disorder. After looking at the causes above, let's ask ourselves, is learning disability truly the kid's fault? Now let's meet Mehul Kulkarni, a young boy studying in 8th standard at school. Mehul suffers from dyslexia and dyscalculia. Sadly, he is often misunderstood and looked down on.
Rahul, well done. Sonali, keep up the good work. Mr. Mehul Kulkarni.
Yes, sir.
आपका तो मैं क्या ही करूं? Congratulations, you have topped
Yay!
from the bottom. सब एग्जाम में फेल. मैथ्स में लाया तुमने अंडा.
Sir.
अब खाओगे डंडा.
Ah.
Don't laugh, shameless boy. Have some shame. You're in the 8th standard. Your next 2 years are crucial. Do you even know that? No jane how you even reach the 8th standard. I
So
wonder if you'll even pass out from this school.
So I tried to work really hard this time, but I can't understand numbers and figures, sir.
और एक लगेगा कान के नीचे. Don't make excuses for your laziness. This will not get you anywhere. Mark my words.
Poor Mehul. क्यों ब्रो? आज रात घर पे पार्टी होगी ना?
Hey, do cake.
Here we saw the signs and symptoms of a student suffering from learning disabilities. Now let's look at the problem that Mehul faces around him.
I don't want to study anymore. It's no matter how I try. I always fail.
Mehul goes home.
बाळा कसा गेला तुझा दिवस आणि एक्झाम्स मध्ये किती नंबर्स आले?
Mehul shows his paper to his mother.
हाय पुन्हा फेल झालास. अरे अभ्यास पण करत नाही. थांब आज तुझं नाव तुझ्या बाबांनाच सांगते.
नहीं.
देखो आपका बच्चा फिर से फेल हो गया.
नालायक, इस रेट पे क्या ही कर पाओगे तुम? You are in the 8th standard. Understand that the next 2 years are very important. If you fail, you will not have a future and you will be polishing people's shoes at the railway station. Do you want that, son? Look at a cousin Rahul. He gets 90% and up in all his subjects And you over here only making excuses. Papa, I can't read. Papa, I don't know maths. Grow up, beta, grow up. You just can't play football all the time.
But I like to play football. I want to join the coaching classes. I can't pay attention in class and study, but I can play football like nothing. And all my friends are there too.
Shameless? You fail in all your exams and now you want to be Ronaldo? Go to your room and study. If you keep failing, no one will want to be your friend.
करू द्या हो त्याला फुटबॉल क्लास.
तू गप्पा बस.
Mehul goes to his room feeling anxious and disappointed. Surely this is not the first time this had happened. With everything that he had to face, he had finally gotten fed up. The next day, he went up to his terrace and intended to jump to his death. But his father saw him in time.
Mehul, what are you doing, son?
I don't want to stay here anymore. There's no use of me.
Stop it. Come down now.
Mehul's parents were rather shaken by this incident, and so they took him to Dr. Kuhu Miglani, a child psychiatrist and counselor.
I have been through Mehul's mark sheets and records from his schools. Here is his English exam paper. Does this look normal to you?
What do you mean normal, doctor? He makes no efforts to improve. कितना practice करने को बोलो, लेकिन करता ही नहीं है.
That is where you are going wrong, sir. After talking to Mehul alone, it is clear that he is suffering from learning disabilities. And I am surprised that you are not aware.
What learning disabilities?
It's nothing to be worried about. He's just wired differently and needs some special attention. Let me explain some type of LDs to help you understand. A learning disability is a neurological condition which affects the brain's ability to send, receive, and process information. Some known disorders include dyslexia is the most common form. It is language-based. The person has trouble understanding words, sentences, and paragraphs. Dyscalculia affects the ability to grasp and solve math problems. People with dyspraxia have trouble planning and executing fine motor tasks. Dysgraphia is a writing disability where people find it hard to form letters and write within a defined space. As you said earlier, that Mehul has trouble reading, writing, and with maths. I think he is suffering from dyslexia and dyscalculia.
So what can be done about this now?
Actually, a lot can be done. Here are some remedial measures for him. So I would recommend that you can go for extra help. A reading specialist or other trained professional can teach Mehul techniques to improve his academic skills. Your child's school or a special educator might develop an IEP that will describe how he can best learn in school. Also, schools should provide educational counselors that help in understanding behavior, and depending on the learning disorder, some children might benefit from therapy as well. Research shows that alternative therapies like music, art, and dance can benefit children with learning disabilities. Even though children with learning disabilities struggle in one area of learning, they may excel in another. Mehul said he likes to play football, so you should allow him to play football. It will probably help him with the areas of difficulty as well. And you know, if you judge by a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid.
Thank you, doctor. आपने तो मेरी आंखें ही खोल दी. How can we ever repay you?
Mention not, I am glad I was of help.
With that, Mehul began to receive all the needed help and managed to clear both his 10th and 12th exams with flying colors. He is currently an engineering student and a passionate footballer who wishes to represent India someday.
So now I am coming out of the horrible teacher role. So I'll be talking about some measures that we can take as friends, parents, or just good human beings to help the cause of students who have learning disabilities and help make them comfortable. Of course, we saw what Dr. Kuhu Miglani and such trained professionals can do to help them out. But here are a few things we can do, because remember, change starts with you. So here are a few things. First of all, always praise them for their performance. Make them feel good when they excel in things that they are good at. You may encourage them at things in which they lack and require little help. It may be academic or otherwise. Be patient, give them the time they need, and make them feel comfortable. And last but not the least, give them the acceptance that they deserve. They are as much a member of society as you and me. They do not deserve to be treated indifferently. And do remember that it never hurts to be kind to another person, does it? So that brings me to the conclusion. To summarize, hopefully our presentation has brought before your eyes what causes learning disabilities and what those people who suffer them have to go through in our country on a daily basis. Now we also saw how somebody like Dr. Kuhu Miglani or we as individuals can help their cause. The graph given below shows that about 52% of the students in India's educational institutions today suffer from various learning disabilities. So what's been done about this? The government has taken this into cognizance in recent years, and with the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, an important provision has been used for students suffering from LD specifically. Things such as extra writing time during examinations, making them sit in isolated rooms so that they can concentrate, and other specialized provisions have been made. They may be wired differently, they may need to learn differently, but that doesn't mean you be indifferent to them. To quote the tagline of the movie Tare Zameen Par, which was a pioneer in the film industry with this theme through the character of Ishan Awasthi, every child is special. With every disability comes an ability. Not all great minds think alike. Thank you for watching our presentation.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
If I may add a little something as an end to this, we came to a common stand on this topic again, and it was something that we thought, since our topic was education, we thought it was something important, because I for one have seen in front of my own eyes, I have had friends who have had dyslexia or dyscalculia, haven't been able to cope, and they have been looked down upon. But when you look at it from another angle, they are great at other things. And this is something that often gets ignored in our country. It's only off late that this has been being paid attention to. So that's the reason why we equated this with education and went ahead with this topic. We hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you guys for such an amazing presentation. We move on to the mentors and sir for the feedback.
Sure.
So I'll go first. This is really amazing that you touched this topic, honestly, because till Tare Zameen Par was released, people didn't even know about learning disabilities or what learning disability was all about. We have been working into this space past 10 years. My husband is a child and adolescent psychiatrist, okay? And we have a startup called SPEDAT at Home, which is precisely working in this area to provide education for children with disabilities online. So we are taking the platform online, and this is our startup currently. And so I was so glad to listen to this. Parents generally come to us with denial. Once you educate them, there is guilt, and then there is apprehension. So this is the cycle of a parent when their child has learning disability. Okay, and as you rightly mentioned, the ways to cope up with this are the IEPs that a special educator will set up. Then you do have an autist who is required to give you special exercises for your, grips and other to bring the attention span and to see that the hyperactivity is toned down a bit. And you also have facility for a shadow teacher, okay, in schools if the schools are running. So these are the things that you can do. And as rightly pointed out by you, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan has come up with a lot of inclusion. And according to the new rules, every teacher has to be enabled to handle these children because they are now into mainstream education. You no longer have special schools for them. So that's one thing that the government has done to see that all children are put at par. But because of this, the other thing that you guys rightly put out in your skit is what the child goes through when he is put into a classroom where other children don't understand what problem he has. So here the role of a teacher comes into being, where the teacher has to make the other students as well understand that what is the problem and why that child is so special and what is so special about him. So I think all in all, it was really wonderful. Kuhu, just a feedback for you that, everyone was doing a lot of role play and they were into their character. For me, you seemed more like reading it out, maybe because I really understood what you were talking about or so. Maybe because of that, I'm not so sure. But for me, it felt that you were actually reading and not trying to talk to the parents. Because when you talk to these kind of parents, it's a very different way that you talk to them, you have to be very empathetic, you have to be very compassionate, like you rightly mentioned in the end. It cannot be a monologue delivery. It cannot be that way. So there has to be a lot of emotions that go into talking to parents or even to teachers who are handling these kind of children. चाइल्ड के साथ तो आप वैसे ही ऐसे ही बात करनी चाहिए, बट इवन विद देयर पेरेंट्स, बिकॉज दे don't understand what it is. And first is that मेरे बच्चे को ये नहीं हो सकता is how they will come to you, that my child cannot have it. So there is some problem with your with your diagnosis is how they will tell you retest karo, ये test के results गलत है. This is how the parents come to you with. So somewhere that was a little missing, but otherwise excellent topic, excellent presentation, and more awareness is still needed on this, because still the acceptance is very, very low when it comes to specially able children. So I think I really loved it. Overall, very good effort, very good effort.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'll
What
take care of it.
was the storytelling and the story showcasing. Both of that came out very beautifully. The showcasing and the storytelling, and I loved the bit where the foot roller is kind of hitting. I knew today also there's something, the prop that's going to be coming in. I was looking forward to this very curiously and excitedly. I like that coordination that you guys did. So the moment the foot roller was there and he was like yelling out in pain, Mehul. So good storytelling, good story showcasing as well. So that's those nuances and those elements is something new that you brought in. I mean, you did a role play per se, but this was like a proper storytelling which you took us through. So Harshit, I liked your prop too of becoming like a father with the specs and stuff like that. So every little bit of details that you all put into it, amazing. That's real good show. If I have to say, the content also was very clean, and none of you just went to read the content on the slide, but you went on to explain it yourself. So I was not paying full attention on that because I was very engrossed with the way you guys were doing. One thing that I would like you to pay attention, because I know it's very difficult for you to do triple roles, Nikhil, because you were managing the slideshow, then the prop, and ensuring that everybody is coordinated too, and too many things. So while you were saying your slide, you were doing one at a time. Like when you were saying 1 point, that 1 point would come in, the second point would come in, third point come. But whenever you were doing it for the rest of them, you would click everything and keep there on the slide. You understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, totally.
All the 4 points. So you wouldn't, if you could have just rehearsed that, I mean, it will be a little more finer, like, so 1 point at a time. So then you go to the next point. So the way you did for yourself, I know it's a little difficult, but that could
There's a little bit of a mess up in the coordination, if I'm honest.
You messed up the coordination.
A little bit. Yeah, I'll be honest, I messed that up in the end with my own slide.
So that's something, it's just a matter of practice and rehearsal.
Yes.
So that was just a small feeler I thought you could work on to get it a little more better.
Definitely.
So that's my feedback for all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, wonderful topic. This is the burning issue in education today, and I really agree with everything what Dr. Modi said. Parents are so much in denial, and even schools are at times not ready to accept this challenge of including these special students in their, routine, in their normals. And we are so much into marks, that we somewhere this children, the special children, they are lost in this race of marks. They have so many hidden talents which are been completely ignored, and somewhere I feel even schools are not completely responsible, because parents marks ko importance dete hain, and then the school is forced ki wo usi cheez mein focus kare jo parents chahte hain. So that's the biggest problem. I started my career in education field as remedial supervisor, and I really know what the students go through. I have experienced it. I have felt their pain, their trouble. Sometimes their peers, they lack that empathy and compassion towards them. Sometimes peers understand, but teachers need a lot of training and awareness themselves at times. And then if teachers understand, then the support from the top, and then at times pura school coordinated hai, lekin parents ही नहीं cooperate कर रहे, because parents are in denial. Yes, they are in denial. They feel कि ये बहुत बड़ा taboo है, which is wrong. They are specially abled. They are not disabled. We should come out of this thought process that they're disabled.
That's why, ma'am, in the end, we actually said with every disability comes an ability.
Right, because everybody cannot be academically smart. Why do we run behind those things, So wonderful topic, excellently displayed. Your content on the screen was also very systematically organized. I feel there was not too much of content. जो जरूरी था वो आपने display किया. The way you all presented was very apt, good. Yes, what Bhavi ma'am said was very right. Little more emotions on the part of counselor was expected, because this is something really very emotional for the people who go through it, you know. So little display, more display of emotions, but otherwise it was wonderful. And I really like the conclusion. Conclusion means not the last slide, but the steps which you suggested, what needs to be, you know, taken care
What
of for
you can
certain.
do as an individual. You
Yes,
don't have to
as
be
an
trained or
individual,
anything.
as a parent. So those apply to everybody, to the society, to the parent, to the educator, to everyone. So that has to be taken care by
Because, ma'am,
everyone.
the thing is that change does start with you. So,
Correct.
I mean,
Change starts
we have to be the
so
change.
be the change what you want to see. That's what Mahatma Gandhi said, and that's
Right.
what you tried to convey. So very good, well done, excellent presentation. And this topic really needs a lot of awareness. So thanks for taking up this topic. Wonderful job.
Thank you, ma'am.
So I think, yes, everyone's again mentioned a lot of the finer points. And I love the fact that along with all the drama and the theatrics, the content, the statistics, the research, everything came through really well. I also liked the fact, like, again, the transitions were very equal. I really feel everybody showed up this time as well. And I think that team sort of, it almost felt like a consensus के like, okay, हमारा energy level 7 पे होना चाहिए, 8 पे होना चाहिए, 8.5, okay, ठीक है. So everybody sort of kept it really felt like a team, you know. No one was trying to outshine the other, no one underplayed. I think the favorite part for me content wise was the roles of the educator, but also the struggles of the parents. It's very easy to judge parents who obviously will react badly, because I think society is also conditioned parents to want to give their children the best, but knowing that आगे जाके उसको struggle नहीं करना है, तो अभी मार के मतलब सीधा कर दो, so that later he doesn't struggle. You know, it comes from a desperation of the parent that I'm willing to do anything so that my child has a better future. Unfortunately, when children are either specially abled or are just different and need special attention, the poor parent also has not been coached in a certain way, right? They are also coming with their own baggage, their own educational hang-ups. So I think that counselor aspect, the parent aspect was shown quite nicely. Little entertaining also with that ruler and all, very nicely done. Very Instagram reels type of transitions. Don't show me the ruler while I'm giving feedback. I'll only keep quiet. I don't do that. Okay, but I think also in terms of the slides and what do you say, the presentation was there. It was all very seamless. What I think in terms of, I don't know if I have any constructive criticism. I really don't. They've all covered it. All the other judges have. I think the only bit which for me was jarring was right in the beginning when she was doing such a beautiful, like she was fully ready for the intro, like on, and that bloody music just, I don't know from where, if that was part of the plan or not, but
That
it
was.
totally stole her thunder, and that seemed really unfair. So whether it was a glitch or whether it was something, be mindful of those things, because y'all can be on full, you know, full on mode, and these little things take away from that. So to be a little careful over there. So all the best, super job, guys, and fabulous choice of topic. Good thing, including pop culture references like Tare Zameen Pe and all of those other stuff. I really love this presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, team. Well done. Full marks for selection of topic. I wouldn't want to take it away from there, because that was a topic which is something that people run away from, don't want to look at. And the exposure, because parents who have such children or have a child with some kind of a disability are aware. But what about the others? The other parents are oblivious of what the parent, what the child, what the school, or what their peers go through. So this was a selection of a topic which opened up an arena for people to think that you may have friends of your children also suffering from anything which is like, you know, which may not be known to you, but the parent is definitely working, because we start labeling the children as, oh my God, he's so hyper, and oh my God, this child creates trouble when he comes to class and is very disruptive in class. but we tend to forget, or we tend to see that there may be something behind which is causing that particular action there. And I think their parents do understand, and because of the unawareness of the other parents around, or the people around in the society, parents tend to just refrain from accepting that their student or their child has this disability or the learning problem which needs to be taken care of. So I guess awareness will definitely open up opportunities for them. And I love the topic, so I wouldn't want to comment on anything else. So I will say great selection, guys. Good work. Really good work.
By the way, Abhishek Bachchan को भी है हाँ LD. अगर नहीं पता.
Yes. But Ashwin, he's very good at stocks, though he's LD. But if we see, his brain works very well. Like I have seen, he's not good at acting, but he's very good at stock market.
Einstein himself had an LD.
Yes, Einstein did have LD. Yes, very true. So there are many celebrities, in fact, who have had a history of LD. So.
ऐसे कौन बोला वो एक्टिंग में अच्छा नहीं है अभिषेक बच्चन? Please don't say that.
वो मूवी क्या डिपेंड करता है.
He acted amazingly well. He acted amazingly well in the Big Bull.
Big Bull. He is very good at serious acting, but when it's come to a thing,
make him run around trees and all, he can't do it.
Whatever it is, but it's okay. Come on, actor है.
Actor है.
Scenes में आया है. अच्छा, now coming back to the feedback, I can say you so I much didn't like today's group D ka presentation here. Why am I saying this? No. I'm very serious on this today. When the content started, the energy was a bit low. It is kind of it was a dialogue which was going on. You were like kind of मतलब बोलते ना कि कुछ तो ज्ञान बांट रहे थे. Okay, education stuff like that. Then suddenly sparked off with your role play, which completely took off the energy there, and which suddenly moved everyone. Wow, okay, there's a role play happening, and then again suddenly spike down towards your education information that goes on. Okay, where वो attention span जो है ना वो हिल जाता है completely, because मेरे को बीच में ऐसा लग रहा था कि okay ठीक है कुछ तो information चल रहा है. There's no engagement spark within the entire presentation. वो engagement build होने के लिए ना, every content has to be delivered in a way where वो spark होना चाहिए. With your energy being at 8.5, or you can say whatever Simona said ki 8.5, I felt it was started at 8 or maybe 9, then it went up to 6, then went up to 8, and then went up to 9, and then went up ऐसा down. फिर spike आया कहीं ना कहीं. मुझे ऐसा लगा. This is one aspect of the energy levels that was there. There was this noticed which Nikhil absolutely said, the transition and the glitch that you had with your transition and stuff like that. I could find that because that was kind of you were doing some multitasking out there. Slides घुमा कौन रहा था, by the way?
I was only doing it.
Multitasking is one of the aspects that we are looking at here. Okay, multitasking is one of the aspects that we are looking at here, and this is where I say ki Group D absolutely fabulous job today. So hats off to you all people, and I am trying to build that comment box here, but ठीक है नहीं हो पाया मुझसे. But amazing, fabulous job, heart touching topic out here. Simona was like shocked. अरे क्या बोल रहा है, क्या बकवास कर रहा है. सब लोग off camera हो गए यहाँ पर. Okay, so absolutely good topic. Because why am I saying this? This morning, once I woke up at around 7 o'clock, I had nothing to do. Okay, after having my medicines, I was watching a movie called as Ahan. Tears rolled down from my eyes. This guy has Down syndrome. Okay, Down syndrome is another. So this guy is Abuli Mamaji. If you look at his picture also, you could come to know. उसके चेहरे से ही लगता है कि this guy has a Down syndrome. अब ये बंदे ने ये मूवी किस बेस पर है पता है कि His mom is doing brownies and he delivers it to people, friends and families and stuff. Now this is a Down syndrome and nobody cares about him. So friends and families होते हैं कि हाँ ठीक है बच्चा है. Now he is very adamant to get a job. He goes to the car showroom, he goes to the salesman people, he goes to people to get a job. But people say येड़ा है क्या? As what you people said, येड़ा है क्या? This is what people said him. And what the neighbors, what they did is, okay, we will speak to his parents. They spoke to him, they convinced them, but parents were like, no, we are restricting him for doing job. And what step he took is to jump off from Marine Drive का ये क्या कहते हैं उसका फेंस. मरीन ड्राइव के फेंस से जंप करने गया. तब जाके माँ बाप को अकल आई and तब जाके वो बदल गया. And then he started a new job. So understanding the dynamics of Ahan movie, I could completely relate with whatever you said. Absolutely fantastic job. You touched base upon each point. The conclusion was fabulous out there. So hats off guys, Group D. Again, you have broke the record out there. So amazing. Nikhil, Harshit, role plays amazing. I could even say कि आपका जो role plays है ना कहीं वो starting element में भी रखो और ending element में भी रखो. वो बीच में ना आते हुए वो आपका role play को आप जो है ना continue flow में रखो. अभी क्या हो गया? साक्षी ने start किया with kind of a lecturing, and then you started with the role play. Or else you can just start with the role play first. Maybe वो थोड़ा सा energy build हो जाए. Okay, so that people get engaged with your content. That is what my major feedback is for all. Otherwise, that's a free guys. Thank you so much.